Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we'll learn and solve exercise 12.2 questions 1 to 4 of chapter 12. Chapter name is Ratio and Proportion of class 6 of NCERT Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos, and please visit my blog mathsgrid.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state schools. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we learn and solve exercise 12.2 questions 1 to 4 of chapter 12. Chapter name is Ratio and Proportion and topic is proportion. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 3. Are the following statements true? 40% is to 200% is equal to 15 rupees is to 75 rupees. 40% divided by 200%. 40 and 200, 40 is the common factor, so dividing 40 with 40 we get 1, 5. 1 divided by 5. And 15 rupees is to 75 rupees. Between 15 and 75, 15 is the common factor, 1 divided by 5. So 40 divided by 200 is equal to 15 divided by 75. This is true. 40% is to 200% is equal to 15%. 15 rupees is to 75 rupees. This is true. Now second bit B, 7.5 liter is to 15 liters is 7.5 divided by 15 liters. 75 divided by 10, it is 15. Now 5 divided by 10, and 5 kg divided by 10 kg is 5 divided by 10 liter. This is liter. So 7.5 liters is to 15 liters is equal to 5 kg is to 10 kg. This is true. Now third bit C, 99 kg is to 45 kg is equal to 44 rupees is to 20 rupees. 99 divided by 45. Between 99 and 45, 9 is the common factor. So dividing 99 with 9 we get 11. 45 divided by 9 is 5. 11 divided by 5. 44 rupees is to 24. 20. Between 44 and 24 is the common factor. 4 is the highest common factor. So 44 divided by 11. 4 is 11. So 11 divided by 5. So 99 kg is to 45 is equal to 44 is to 20. This is true. Now 32 meter is to 64 meter is equal to 6 second is to 12 second. This is true or not? 32 divided by 64. Between 32 and 64, 8 is the common factor. 16 is the common factor. So 16 dividing 32 with 16, 2, 16, 4 ja, then 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. We get 1 divided by 2. And 6 divided by 12 is 1 divided by 2. So 32 is to 64 is equal to 6 is to 12. This is true. So 32 meter is to 64 meter is equal to 6 second is to 12 second. This is true. Now EBIT 45 kilometer is to 60 kilometer is equal to 12 hours is to 15 hours. 45 divided by 60. Between 45 and 60, 15 is the common factor. 15 3 ja 45, 15 4 ja 60. 3 divided by 4. And 12 hours divided by 15 hours is 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. 4 divided by 5. 3 divided by 4 is not equal to 4 divided by 5. 45 is to 60 is not equal to 12 is to 15. This is false. So 45 kilometer is to 60 kilometer is not equal is equal to 12 hours is to 15 hours. This is false. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.